Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we will going to learn how you can change your mouse sensitivity in Windows 10. So without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, we will go to our Windows Start and then go to these setting options. And then we will go to device option over here. After that, we will look into this left side and go for mouse, and then we will look at this right side in related settings and go for additional mouse options. After that, here is mouse properties pop up, and then we will be looking for pointer options over here. Click on it, and then if you select it and decrease it, you can see your mouse speed is too low. If you want to make it faster, then you have to increase it, and then here you can see your mouse speed getting more faster right now. So I want to make it balanced like this, and here you can see I have a balanced speed in my mouse. You can change it by your point of view. Then after changing your this pointer speed, then you have to click on apply, and then here you can see mouse speed is changed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.